You walk into Boston Diner. Big Mac cost $5 mighty dollars. You walk into Bangkok street stall. Same Big Mac, same bun, same meat, but only $3. You rub eyes like sleepy mammoth. How same burgers shrink in price when you fly across big water? Did airplane give dollars superpower? No. Welcome to strange cave of purchasing power parity, PPP. PPP fancy human spell for same money should buy same stuff anywhere. Economists say if basket of goods costs X in America and same basket in Thailand cheaper, then dollar is stronger there. Like you carry invisible mammoth muscle and wallet. Picture you with 20 bucks. In Boston, maybe 4 burgers and small soda. In Bangkok, same 20 gets 6 burgers and mango shake. Your stomach roar with victory. But this not magic. It is math. Over long time, exchange rate supposed to move so price of basket equal in both lands. Like water finding level, slow, sneaky, but sure. Basically, PPP is money x-ray, shows real power of your dollar, not silly number traders scream about each morning. Your bank app show currency market jumping like scared rabbit. PPP whispers, calm, human, true value hides in burger. Your dollar tricky like raccoon. One life easy to see, market exchange rate. That number jump every second because traders sip coffee, panic, and click buttons faster than squirrel chase knot. Other life hide in shadow, purchasing power parity. That one show what dollar can really buy when dust settle. Why you care? Because without PPP, you get fooled. Say friend Brack, I moved to Geneva. Salary same as Chicago, but in Swiss francs. You nod, think big brain friend. But PPP say ha. Rent in Geneva eat wallet like hungry bear. Same paycheck, weaker bite. World Bank, IMF, all those big global elders use PPP to rank economies. They know market exchange rate full of noise, speculation, and drama. PPP slice through like stone axe, steady, slow, closer to truth. Mini scene, you plan vacation to Mexico. Market rates say $1 equals 17 pesos. PPP whisper, relax. Your burger money stretch even more because local haircuts, tacos, bus rides cost less than US hair gel. Ignore PPP and you either overspend like drunk mammoth or pack too few pesos and cry at taco stand. Basically, PPP is quiet double agent. Market rate loud, sexy, but PPP tell you what life really costs when you put food in mouth and roof overhead. Humans love baskets, fruits, berries, even weird online shopping carts. Economists build biggest basket of all, full of rent, bread, haircuts, Netflix, dentist pokes, everything normal human buy. They check how much that basket cost in different tribes, countries. PPP formula simple enough for caveman. PPP exchange rate equals price of basket in country A divided by price of basket in country B. If basket cost $100 in New York and 1,000 pesos in Mexico City, PPP rates say $1 should equal 10 pesos. Easy like clubbing fish, but humans like fun examples. So the Economist make Big Mac Index. Yes, giant magazine compare burger prices worldwide. One glance and you see which currency undervalued or too puffy. If Big Mac cheaper in Bangkok than Boston, Thai baht undervalued. You basically eat cheap lesson in global economics with fries. Imagine side-by-side carts. One in Chicago stuffed with bagels and baseball caps. One in Paris with baguettes and tiny coffees. PPP says, long run, currency must shift, so both carts same price when measured in dollars. No magic portal, just slow trade wins, wages, and prices creeping toward balance. Basically, PPP is the great equalizer, shopping carts as international truth bombs. Economists stare at receipts, not crystal balls, to find it. Humans love thinking they find magic prediction rock. PPP tell future exchange rate, they yell. Guru Chow laugh, so hard mammoth run away. Yes, PPP good for long trail, years, maybe decades. But short run, market wins blow stronger than any basket math. Example, pandemic time. Dollar jump up and down like caffeinated kangaroo. 10% swing in single year. PPP, still napping in cave, moving slow like glacier. Economists also wrestle hairy beasts called limitations. First beast, identical basket hard to build. Chicago loves peanut butter. Paris loves fancy cheese. Good luck matching that. Second beast, non-tradable services. Try shipping a haircut across ocean. Can't. Manhattan barber charge 3 times Manila barber because local wages rule. Third beast, trade barriers and taxes. Tariffs, transport costs, monopoly games, all mess with clean theory. Still, PPP mighty for big picture muscle. It tells when currency over, we're undervalued. Traders peek at it like weather sign. Also shows real size of economies. World Bank once said that using PPP, China economy bigger than US. That headline make many politicians spit coffee. So remember, PPP is slow mammoth guide through forest of global money. Good for map, bad for sprint. Now Guru Cha give final wisdom so you not get wallet chewed. PPP not just dusty economist toy. It sneak into your daily haunt. First, job hunt across ocean. Boss in London offer $100,000 in pounds. Fancy, but if renting grocery there eat 3 times more than Chicago. That shiny offer is just shiny trap. Check PPP first, or you end up eating beans while paying for broom closet. Second, travel. You brag. I go to Thailand with $20 a day. Good. PPP already whisper that local noodles cheap and tuk-tuk rides cost less than US bus ticket. Use PPP and you pack right amount of coin, not 10 pounds of useless panic cash. Third, news brain. Every time TV shout dollar strong or euro weak, you breathe. But what about PPP? Strong dollar might mean exports struggle while vacation to Paris becomes bargain. Weak dollar might help American factories, but make imported cheese cost more. PPP helps you see real picture, not just trader drama. Basically, PPP is quiet truth stick. It reminds you, money worth only what you can eat, wear, and live inside. Numbers on paper, just cave paint. That all. Me make more soon. You subscribe or me sad. Lesson over. Me go hunt truth. Guru Cha vanish now. Poof.